This 2024 K-Z Durango Half-Ton D240RKD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salisbury, North Carolina, 28146 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.